Albert Einstein once said, "In the middle of every difficulty lies opportunity." Agile teams, like all teams, face their share of challenges: scope creep, conflicts, and misalignment, to name a few. But with the right guidance, these challenges become opportunities for growth. In this lecture, we will learn how Agile coaches play a pivotal role in guiding teams through obstacles. In this lecture, you will learn best practices for addressing common Agile team challenges like scope creep, conflicts, and misalignment. Understanding the role of an Agile coach in fostering team growth and improvement. Use an analogy to better grasp the coaching process and its impact on overcoming challenges. An Agile coach is not just a mentor, but a catalyst for change. Their primary goal is to help team members embrace Agile principles. They are facilitators, problem solvers, and motivators, ensuring that challenges do not derail the team. In Agile coaches, responsibilities include helping team identify and address root cause of challenges, facilitating communication between team members and stakeholders, encouraging a mindset of continuous improvement. Now let's discuss the three common challenges and how Agile coaches guide teams through them. Scope creep occurs when additional work or requirements are introduced mid sprint without proper evaluation. This is one of the most frequent issues Agile teams face and can lead to missed deadlines, reduced quality, and burnout. An Agile coach helps the team set boundaries by emphasizing the importance of a well defined sprint goal. They encourage the product owner to manage the backlog rigorously, ensuring that new requirements are properly prioritized for future sprints. The coach also educates stakeholders about the impact of changing priorities mid sprint and promotes transparent communication to avoid surprises. For example, during a sprint review, if stakeholders demand additional features, the Agile coach can redirect the conversation to focus on whether those features align with the sprint's original goal. Conflict is natural in any team, but it can hinder progress if not addressed constructively. Misunderstandings, personality clashes, or differing priorities are common sources of conflict in Agile teams. The Agile coach acts as a mediator, creating a safe space for team members to express their concerns and perspectives. They teach conflict resolution techniques such as active listening and collaborative problem solving. Additionally, Agile coaches emphasize the importance of retrospectives as a forum for addressing interpersonal challenges and reinforcing team values. Misalignment happens when teams and stakeholders have different expectations or priorities. This can lead to frustration, wasted effort, and delays in delivering value. Agile coaches bridge the gap by fostering collaboration and clarity. They encourage frequent stakeholder involvement through sprint reviews and backlog refinement sessions. Using tools like product roadmaps or visual dashboards, they ensure everyone is aligned on the goals and progress. Beyond addressing specific challenges, Agile coaches ensure a continuous improvement culture. This involves encouraging retrospectives to reflect on successes and areas for growth, prompting experimentation by allowing teams to try new processes or tools, reinforcing accountability by empowering teams to take ownership of their work. Think of an Agile coach as a mountain guide. The team is on a journey to reach the summit, facing steep trails, unpredictable weather, and fatigue. The guide does not climb for the team, but provides tools, advice, and motivation to help them navigate the challenges and succeed together. Just as a guide enables climbers to overcome obstacles and reach their goals, an agile coach empowers teams to tackle challenges and grow stronger with each step. Identify a challenge you've experienced in a group project or workplace. Write a brief analysis of how an agile coach could address that challenge using the strategies discussed in this lecture. Agile teams inevitably have challenges like scope creep, conflicts, and misalignment. However, with guidance of an agile coach, these obstacles become opportunities for growth. Let's discuss how different coaching strategies might apply in diverse scenarios and explore any new ideas you've discovered. Share your thoughts in the comment section.